All right, so I am in Tungsten Power PDF, which was the former Nuance, the former Kofax, so it's just going to change the name all the time. I've gotten some questions about how we can do certain features, and I'm not talking about file. I'm going to come over to File, Open, and there we can obviously open from NetDocs. That works. File has now been opened from NetDocs. Okay, that obviously works. But what happens if you want to do things like combine files? So combine files, we're going to click on Add, Open Files, and then the trick here is Open from DMS, and then we'll choose NetDocs, and then we can, combine all these together. So we'll hit Open. Now we're going to save them. All right. Now, the one thing here is after we combine these together, I think it's going to make me save locally. I don't have an option, which is a little bit annoying. So I'll save to the desktop, and then I'm going to click on Open Files, and then I would do a file, Save As, NetDocs, and put it into the correct location. Another question we get a lot is about bait stamping. So let's come over to Bates numbering here, Add. All right, now add files, open from DMS, NetDocs, and then I can select all of these, open. All right, here they are. Now when we hit OK, this is where, and you guys know about this more than me, but I want to do on the left, this is where you set up all your Bates numbering settings. Okay, what it's going to do here is it's going to check out these 4 PDFs, Bates stamp them. See, it's telling you on the bottom right corner, and then it'll shoot it back up to the NetDocs with the Bates stamping. So that is a way, we're not talking about opening PDFs and stuff like that, but this is a way that you can Bates number and combine PDFs kind of seamlessly using NetDocs.